here in my constituency, except 3 polling stations. I'm told they have a problem with the Kimskit, Rebortaya polling station, Remo polling station, and Luanda polling station, all in Kwa ward. They have not yet started voting since 6 a.m. in the morning, and the IBC officials are promising to replace the ACD cards, to replace the Kim's kits, and up to now they have not done anything. But I want to tell Kenyans from here that we have a problem with Kim's kits now. I'm receiving a lot of complaints from all over the country that some of the places the Kim's kits have refused to work, and Kenyans have not exercised their political rights to vote for their leaders. So this is something that IEBC needs to address urgently, because many Kenyans have been locked out. That is why when we were saying the manual register should be available, we were talking about this. Electronic gadgets, fails you at the hour of need when you need it most, and there is no way, the 46,236 polling stations of Kim's kits could work, the way they are required simultaneously. So we are saying that this is a matter that IEBC must address urgently in the next 1 hour. Because many people from Taita Taveta to Mombasa to Maduong in Kakamega to now in those 3 polling stations in my place, in my constituency, there is a problem. And IEBC must come out clearly as fast as possible so that Kenyans are not locked out from the 2022 election. Because it's just a one-day work. By 5 p.m. polling stations will be closed. So Kenyans should be allowed to vote. Kenyans should be allowed to exercise their right. So I am appealing to Chebukati and his commission that this is something that they must address urgently, as soon as possible.
Mheshimiwa, what do you say about the issue of Mombasa and Kakamega?
I think we were shocked, we were taken aback, because as you are aware, Mombasa and Kakamega are Azimio strongholds. And I don't know what coincidence it is that it's only those 2 counties that have been affected at the gubernatorial level. But we are still investigating, and we have told our supporters to come out in large numbers so that they can vote for the presidential candidate and other seats that are being voted for, UMCA and senatorial, gubernatorial, women rep and member of National Assembly. So they should come out in large number and vote for those. But we are still looking at what happened. That is gross incompetence on the part of IEBC. This is the first time I've seen an election being postponed.